take a look at XLOOKUP, we'll see here that we have the product name and the price. And all I want to do is, whenever I look up the product name, like notebook, I want it to return the price for me. So I wanted to look up notebook and then return the price. Now, if you've ever used VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP in the past, you'll know that right now, the way that our data is set up, this would not work. Because in order to use VLOOKUP, there was limitations. Like, in order to use VLOOKUP, you would have to have whatever the lookup value is, which is the product name, that would have to be the first column, which it isn't here in our data set. And it would have to be in ascending order, which once again, it isn't here. So VLOOKUP would not work. But that's the beauty of XLOOKUP. It replaces it because it looks left or right. You don't have to abide by those limitations anymore. So let's click into B2, and we're going to start this off with our equal sign, and we'll type out XLOOKUP. We'll press Tab on our keyboard next to the Q to open up the parentheses. And if you're new to writing functions, feel free to always click on the FX next to the formula bar here, and that will open up our fun little function arguments box. That way we don't have to worry about putting commas in, we could just fill out the 3 boxes. Now there's 3 main things that we need to fill out. The lookup value, so what are we looking up? We're looking up notebook.